Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan High Ones and the handcrafted color scheme. So let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review to the channel. Welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks, as well as our merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the Air Jordan 1 High in the handcrafted colorway. This is a really, really cool color scheme. I'm actually more obsessed with it in hand than I was when I saw images of this online. So we're going to start off by talking about the overview of these, then jump into size and fit, followed by how I style this really cool color blocking, and then we'll conclude with how these are currently doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. All right, so starting with the front of the toe box, we do have that nice tumbled white leather there. One of the really cool parts about the toe box here is this 3M reflection going on the ribbing of this. I didn't actually notice it till I saw the reflection of the sneaker in my window when I was shooting it, which is pretty crazy how shiny and reflective this is. But it really just pops off of this nice chocolatey brown on the front of the toe box here, which is in that nubuck material. As we work our way up, one of the coolest parts of the sneaker is this two-tone lace. So we've got it in black, and as we work our way up, it's this really nice pop of color here in the salmon tone, and it matches with this black and salmon tone neon color scheme for the branding of the logo here, and it just really pops and gives the shoe a little bit of extra flavor. If you're not feeling the two-tone laces though, they do give you two other options. So we do have a simple black lace or a simple white lace, up to you which you decide to go with. One of the other cool parts of the shoe are actually where the eyelets are. You'll notice that the chocolatey brown does kind of move into this nice evergreen color scheme, which I think is just a great color combination. So let's look at those details and then move on to the side panels. So moving on to the side panels, you'll see that we have underlays of that nice simple white leather, and then we have swooshes in the black color scheme, more of that 3M reflective, which really does pop and brings out the tones around it. So we've got underlays of black leather here and overlays of the chocolatey brown, and then we've got this really, really nice purple, which I think hits very well with the 3M and that brown tone. So we work our way to the side for the Wings logo. You'll notice that this is actually kind of looks like it's half of a fuzzy kind of material around the black leather, but I do like how you can kind of see the brown in between the etching of the Air Jordan and Wings logo. For the insole, it's nice and simple. It's just black, and I did notice something when I put my foot in though. It felt so different. So it does have a different type of pattern on that insole, so it will feel a little different than a normal just smooth insole. We do have the quilted effect going on the collar here in black, which we have seen with the All Mom and Air 3s, but I do like that this is nice and subtle with the black hue. The shoe's then completed with a simple white midsole and a black outsole. All right, so let's take a look at this box. So we've got a really cool box that matches the shoe to a T. We've got all the colorways that you see on the shoe here. I do love how they made it a different box. Definitely know which box is going to go with these sneakers because the color blocking is exactly the same as the sneaker. All right, so now let's talk about size and fit. So these, I went with a 7.5, and I would say it's a true size on this one. I do have higher narrow feet, so depending what type of foot shape you have, if you have flatter, wider feet, this could differentiate the size that works best for you. All right, now let's talk about styling. So again, I had a lot of fun styling these. For the first look, I decided to wear my Pharaoh Sanders t-shirt just because it had some similar color schemes going on with the shirt that I feel like matched it quite nicely. And then I layered that with my Junya Watanabe Supreme zip up jacket and that plaid color scheme. It had some nice greens that I think really matched the accents of the green in the shoe. And then for the bottoms, I just wore some nice khaki colored cargo pants.
Cause I know it's in your hands. I'm the furthest thing from perfect, but I know you understand. I was limping quick to run and now I'm flying Peter Pan. And it's all because of every single step I had your hand, yeah. Every single step I had your hand. Now I got the blessings on demand. Anything you say is my command. Whole life heard no, but you told me that I can't. So I lay it all out cause I trust you like that. And I give it all to you cause you got it like that. Any seed that I sowed, boomerang right back. Now I'm living with a joy, you can never buy that. Yeah, yeah. It ain't never easy.
For the second look, I switched up a little bit and I decided to wear some Essentials sweats in brown. I think brown just goes quite nicely with the chocolatey tones in the shoe. I then layered that with a gray sweatshirt, and then on top of that, I wore just a camel toned jacket, and that jacket also had an inner lining of some olive tones, which I think went and complemented the shoe quite nicely as well.
But if you trust and you believe it, you can make it with God, God, yeah. No matter where I'm going, I know I'll make it through. Joy's coming in the morning, so I choose to wait on you. Cause you got it like that. Got it like that.
The last and final look, I kept it pretty simple with my Champion vintage matching reverse weave set. So I had a hoodie in that kind of washed dark charcoal gray color scheme with matching sweatpants.
Of anything I did or even do to deserve just 1 inch of your love that makes people new. And the way that you saved me out of that den when all of the lions were covering my head. You had another plan and you gave me another chance. Oh, the way that you got me, yeah, got me like that. It's the kind of love that will let you fall, but then will bring you right back. Bring you right back, right back, right back, right back.
So you let me know down below what was your favorite out of the 3 looks, or how would you style these?
Sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I will lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby. It's the right we already know, and we feel it. I really do. I said the truth. We can't go any road. Need you now. I'm your queen and you the king right now. It's a kingdom. Let's play it how you like. How does it make you feel? Or you wanna change? I'll be whatever, what you like. We can dance. You got to move tonight. Stars are watching us in the sky. I wanna last it forever. It's a sexy smile, looking forward to see you. I hope I won't lose control. Love you every night, no checking the time. Just us loving you all night long. I can let you go, baby. It's the right we already know, and we feel
retailed at $170, and these are currently going between $195 to $260. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review of the channel today. Thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Feel free to leave me any comments or questions that you may have down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV, and my name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.